Hello, good morning children. Today we'll start a new chapter, that is data handling. Okay, so first of all you should know what is called data. So data means gathering of information. Okay, now see, it means gathering, recording and presenting the information. Okay, in the form of numbers or pictures. It is called data handling. And pictograph is a part of data handling where the information is presented in the form of pictures. So it is called pictograph or pictogram. And always the pictograph has a key. Okay. So now in detail we'll know what is data handling and what is a pictograph. See, here is a table given. The number of buses passing the traffic lights between 4 and 4:50 in the afternoon. So now from the table you can well understand on Monday how many buses pass through? 20, Tuesday 25, Wednesday 43, Thursday 19 and Friday 25. So if the questions are given from this table, the greatest number of buses that passed by was on Wednesday. See why? Because on Wednesday more number of buses are passing, that is 43, and least number of buses are passing. Least means less. So the least number of buses 19 and it is on Thursday. So the number of buses on Thursday was the least and it is 19. The number of buses that passed by over the week was between 19 and 43. So the smallest is 19 and the highest number is 43. On Tuesday and Friday, see, Tuesday and Friday, same number of buses are there. So the number of buses was the same. So from this table we can have a well idea about the buses passing from Monday to Friday, how many buses are passing from 4 to 4:50. So like this is called data. This data is presented in the form of numbers. Okay. So like this the data can be presented in the form of pictures also. So now we'll see how the data is presented in the form of pictures. See here children, the teacher, okay, see the above data, it is presented now. This is how the same data we can present in the form of pictures. Okay. Monday, and here it is 20, but here two buses, the pictures of two buses you can see. So one bus is equal to 10, one big bus, see the key. So one big bus is equal to 10 buses and small bus is equal to 1. So like this, here we have two buses, that means two big buses, that means 10 and 10 total. How many buses? 20. Okay. So like this. Next, on Tuesday we have 25 buses. So one big bus for 10, another it is for 10 and small bus is equal to, see the key, is equal to 1. So that means all 1, 1, 1. So total 20 plus 5, 25. So like this we can calculate the total number from the picture. But here the key is very important. You have to refer to the key. See the key and calculate. So like that you see here on Thursday, how many are there? One big bus for 10, then small for 1 each. So now calculate 10 plus 1, 1, 1, 1. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 plus 9, 19. Okay. So like this you can do. Now underline it. A pictogram or pictograph presents data in picture form and it has a key. Okay. It consists of 4 parts. What are the different parts? It has a title. Okay. And it has labels or categories and pictures or symbols, and finally it has a key. Okay, all these 4 things are there in a pictograph. So now have a look at the exercise 13.1. 13.1 exercise. Study the following pictograph and answer the questions that follow. Now see, it is the title. Title means name of the children here and number of staff is collected. Okay. So from the title you can understand what is given. Here the children name and here the staff is collected by them. And then categories also we categorized. Okay. Now children name Arun, Akriti, Michelle, Shahrukh and Ramya. And now see the key here. 1 full star is equal to 2 starfish and half star is equal to 1 starfish. So like this you have to calculate. Now see, full star equal to 2 and half star is equal to 1. So here Arun collected how many starfish? See, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 because it is half. Half is equal to 1. See the key. So add together it is 11. Like that. Second, Akriti collected. Like that 1 full star is equal to 2. So write 2 here, 1 and total add together it is 11. So Arun and Akriti collected same number of starfish. Now Michelle, it is 2, 2, 2 and half means 1. So total 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7 starfish. And Saru collected all full stars are there 6. So together it is 12. And Ramya collected 4 is equal to 8. Okay. So now first we calculated and then you write here number so that you can easily answer the questions. Now question A, who collected the least number of starfish and how many? Okay, least means smallest number. Okay, least number of starfish. So who collected? See 11, 11, 7, 12 and 8. So the least number is 7. And who collected 7? Michelle. So you can write here Michelle, comma 7. Here 2 questions are there. So don't skip it. Now next B part. Who collected more starfish? Arun or Shahrukh? Compare these two. Arun collected 11 and Shahrukh collected 12. So who collected more? Shahrukh. So put a tick mark here and then you write the name. Okay. Shahrukh. S-A-R-U-K-H. Then how many more? That means Shahrukh collected 12 and Arun collected 11. So 12 is more than 11 by 1. You can subtract and write 1 more. Then Arun and Akriti together collected the same number of starfish are dash and dash 11 and 11. So write here. Then if Michelle takes 1 starfish from Arun, Michelle has 7, and if Michelle takes 1 starfish from Arun, okay, Arun has 11. Okay, then how many starfish? Then Michelle and Dash will have the same number of starfish. If Michelle will take 1, then Michelle will have 8 starfish. Okay, so then who has 8? Ramya has 8. So now if Michelle will take 1 from Arun, then Michelle will have 8 and it is same as of Ramya. So the number will be 8. Now next question, how many starfish did the children collect in all? So what you have to do? You have to add all the starfish collected by all the children. Okay, 11 plus 11, 22, 22 plus 7, 29, 29 plus 12, 41, 41 plus 8, 49. Okay, you can do addition in rough and write, or you can add here in the rough. Okay, do the workout. Now see the next question. Okay, so I'll give this take the picture of this page and send you so that you can complete in your copy also same work. So you have to write the definition, what is data handling and what is pictograph, and then book exercise you can complete in book. Now in the next question, the students of class 3 were asked about how they came to school. Okay, see the next question. Complete the table by filling in the number of students. See mode of transport, how they are coming: by walking, school bus, auto rickshaw, two-wheeler, van and car. And next, see the key. First you have to follow the key. One tall student, a picture of a one tall boy is equal to 10 students, and small boy is equal to 1 student. Like that you have to follow. So by walking, how many children are coming? 10 plus 1. So one big, one small. Big for 10, small for 1. So 10 plus 1, 11. So now big for 10, 10 plus 10, 20, and small for 1, 1, 1, 1, 23. Okay, like that 10, 10, 10, 30 and 2, 32. Here 10, then 1, 1 each, it is 15. And van 13 and car 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 children. Okay, just you have to fill this one. How many students are coming by different mode of transport. Okay, so this is how, but no need to do in copy. You can complete this work in your book only. Okay, so now see the next question in your book, question number 3 and 4. So this is your homework, children. Try to do, and in my next class I'll show how to do also, and you have to do in copy. Which is your favorite color? So these colors are given here: red, blue, green, yellow, pink and orange. Data obtained from 40 children, total 40 children. So we have to draw pictograph. Okay, it may be different from one to another, so you can present in your own idea this how to draw the pictograph. Next is the snacks sold in the school canteen. Here the snacks are given, so you have to present like this in a table in the form of pictures. Okay, or for sandwich you can take like that: one triangle is equal to 5. Okay, one circle is equal to 2. So like that you can take pictures and draw. You show your own idea and do it. Complete these 3 and 4 in copy as it is your homework, and 1 and 2 in your book.